Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I was looking at the footage I had for this video and I was like, I didn't like it, so I deleted it, and that's why I'm making this. So this video is about me unboxing one of my Christmas Christmas gifts, my Nintendo Switch, and I've been playing it like non-stop. Like I literally had to just get off of it like not too long ago. And so that's why we're here. So sorry I haven't been posting, recently, because it's just a lot, and it's always a lot, but I don't know. But and I'm sorry if I sound weird now and in the video, because I'm currently sick, so that's another thing. But anyway, just watch the video. So peace. Alright, so we have our Switch. Now we're gonna open it. And I'm sorry if I seem like so far away. It's just that, I'm a tall person, so there's not many options for me to go. So open it up from this side, where the person's pulling and putting one on. And what does it say? So now that we've done that, I'm so excited! What kind of screen is that? Alright. Wow, this is some fake plastic. Okay. So, you obviously know how you get the tablet. You know. And then, this is so tiny. And then how you have your two Joy-Cons. And yeah. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds different from usual, if you noticed. I think I'm calming down with the cold, but I'm not sure, or my throat is just super scratchy right now. And I really don't appreciate my body doing this to me on Christmas Day. But, it's okay or whatever. And, of course, you get this controller. Is it focusing? I think it is. I'm not sure. No, think closer. I don't know. But you've seen it. Oh, God. I'm going to have to get used to this sliding thing. I don't know. Where's the thingy? What do I do with it? I could have sworn. Who's texting me? Nobody told people to text me. Especially not during the video. To remove, do we just slide it? I don't understand how to slide it off. Oh, I did it! Wow, this is pretty thin. Oh, they brought back the cartridges. They're like the 3DS. What's so funny about 3DSs? Well, it's not funny, just me. For me, I'm just tragic. So, back in like 2013, I think I was about 9? 10? No, it was 2014, so I was about 10. And it was my birthday, so, my sister, she took me to GameStop. And, cause I wanted a 3DS, the blue brick one. And, yeah, but, get your, your HDMI cable, so that's fun. And, so she took me to GameStop. And so we got the 3DS, and I played with it, right? And so I ended up breaking it. No, I didn't end up breaking it. My brother and sister ended up breaking it, and so it was a while before I got another one. And whoa, good straps just for. Okay, I think I got my next one in like 2015, I think. Yeah, I think next year. and the new 3DS, right? And they came out with the Animal Crossing one with the swappable face plates things. I had that one. I got that one for my next birthday. And then I ended up breaking that by dropping it on the floor. So that was, very, sturdy. The year after that, the next birthday after that, I got another one. I had a new 3DS XL. And then, one day we went to a family reunion, and I never saw it after that. And then one day I go out to my sister's car, and it wasn't there. So, and this family reunion was like back in September. So I don't know what had happened to it, but it was broken. So yeah, that's my lifelong story of 3DSs. I don't know why. I don't know how I broke them. Well, I don't know how I broke so many. But yeah, it was crazy because the first one, I had dropped it in the toilet and it like survived that. Like it was totally fine. But I think it had like a spot on the screen, and so I don't think I'm gonna get another one, but I might. So who knows? But anyway, if I don't, yeah, here are the little things, I guess, you put on your controller to if you wanted to play Mario Kart or something, I think. I'm pretty sure. And then you have your Switch dock and, all of its beautiful, wonderful glory. Boy. And then you have your wonderful, huge power brick to, charge your Switch. That's what's basically in the box. So, I got some accessories, well, an accessory for the red and blue Joy-Con, so I'm going to most definitely rock these. Not saying, gray isn't a good, fit, but, not for me. So, if you would like to help me get a new 3DS, comment down below. Anyway. Ooh. I like this red. It reminds me of like a watermelon. Like, look at that. Like, it's so pretty. Ooh, I like this blue. It reminds me of like a raspberry. So these are the red and blue ones. And I'm most definitely gonna be rocking these over, these. Or maybe like one red. Ooh, that would look cool. But nah, that's just too much. So we're gonna slide these babies on. And boom. And boom. So this is now the finished product. And so that's gonna be fun. Learning how to use this with this faulty kickstand, which is wonderful. A micro SD. Ooh, definitely buy one of those. Ooh, but it is sturdy. Don't misinterpret that. It's definitely sturdy, sister. But, and I also got 2 games. My mom bought 2 games. She's always buying Just Dance. Okay, so I got Just Dance. And she's always buying Just Dance. And like, half the time, we don't even play Just Dance. I mean, unless we're like really bored, I won't play Just Dance. Because somehow it breaks or we break the console. Well, not the console, we somehow break the game. And yeah. We break the console. And it's like, dang, because I know like Just Dance on the Wii U's, you have to have like the gamepad. And so our gamepad was broke. And so we never, fixed it. But we did fix it, but I don't think we're gonna go back to the Wii U. is crazy. And I also got Super Mario Odyssey. I always wanted this, but you know. Like, this game looks so fun, so I was shocked like my mom got it, because like I knew if she got the Switch she would get this, because that's all my little brother and sister say. I want Super Mario Odyssey. They want Super Mario Odyssey. So they couldn't shut up about it, so she got it, which is good. And you know another game I would have wanted? Well, 2 games. I would have wanted Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, you know, for me, because, you know, that's not like no kid game. And I would have wanted Mario Kart. Like, seriously, Mario Kart. Like, I would have took that too. I most definitely took that over Just Dance. But, you know, oh well. Still got something right. So, ooh. So I guess that's it for today's video. And yeah, so this Switch unboxing was crazy. I'm just gonna leave these on here just in case if they ever break. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, always, you know what to do. Like, comment, and, you know, subscribe. And tell me what you want to see next. Do you want to see gameplay on the Switch? Because now I'm going to hook this up and have trouble doing that. So, thanks for watching again. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I can't reach it. Okay. I can't reach. Oh my god. Okay.